Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 2500 desk telephone, and this is Ron's equipment and the second telephone that we need to take a look at. The first telephone is in the background, and that has already been repaired and converted. And now we want to take a look at this 2500 set. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we've already troubleshooted this unit, and we know that the keypad does not dial out, and we will need to install a Polarity Protect circuit at the network. We also know that the two modular ports, the line port and the handset port, are brittle and they're broken and they need to be replaced. There's also a modular plug at the handset that the clip is broken off of, and we need to replace that. There is also a crack in the body right in this area, and we're going to have to try to stabilize that crack. So we'll take care of all of those issues. And we're going to troubleshoot further into the transmit and receive and any wiring issues there might be at the network, and make sure all our connections are tight and proper. So we have a lot of work to do, and we want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool 2500 desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, March 1st. The current time, 5 p.m. and the temperature, 48 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 2500 desk telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Ron, and he can enjoy this telephone along with the very first trim line that we repaired and converted, and I'm sure they're going to look great wherever he uses them. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.